Okay, so who are you and what do you do?
I'm Craig Munsen. I'm a medical student at Johns Hopkins and a web developer, and I built Symcat with my co-founder David. Symcat is a web and mobile app that allows you, when you're sick, to find out what you may have and what to do about it using data-driven algorithms.
So you got some pretty good news today when the Robert Wood Johnson Foundation did something.
You could say that, yeah.
What happened?
Well, so we submitted for this developer challenge. The Robert Wood Johnson Foundation has an Aligning Forces for Quality initiative with the objective to give consumers access to quality metrics on their providers so that they can find not just care but the right care for them. Mm-hmm. So we submitted to that several months ago. We just found out that first that we were finalists, and then today we were announced the grand prize winner. It's thrilling to have such a distinguished organization such as the Robert Wood Johnson Foundation behind us, and great validation. We're very excited.
So, brass tacks, there's a $100,000 check there. Are you going to divide it in two and pay off part of your med school education? Are you going to invest it in the application? What are you going to do here?
Yeah, first we're going to go out for drinks, and then it's going to go into the company. We really want to grow this into something that anyone could use that can answer, any sort of health-related or symptom-related question and get you to the right care. So we'll be using it to continue developing the application, bring some people on board who can help us towards that goal, that sort of thing.
Now, I haven't met that many med students who also know how to code. Where did you all learn? Where did you pick up what you needed to do to build the application? What's this thing based on?
Yeah, so David and I we met during our first year of medical school. We're fourth year students now, and we bonded over our shared background in engineering. So I did biomedical engineering and computer science. David did biomedical engineering, and there's so much memorization in medical school, we needed that outlet. So during anatomy lab, we started talking about different projects we could work on together, and we just sort of maintained it. I mean, I've learned so much coding just for this project and like the 4 or 5 projects that came in the years before it, and that's how you learn. So we maintain that, and here we are.
So what's it built on, and what did you build it in?
Yeah, so the technologies we use, Ruby on Rails has been great. We actually had fewer projects in Ruby on Rails before we started with this, but it's been great to get up and running quickly and scaling, obviously. We jQuery mobile for a sort of mobile interface and just cross-platform stuff. The data are all stored in MySQL, and it's definitely something that's continuing to evolve, but it's proven to be highly scalable right now. We use Heroku as sort of a managed platform, and I think that's pretty much the highlights.
And the data itself, where are you pulling that from?
Oh, yeah. So it's built on CDC data as our sort of seed database that allows us to apply our machine learning algorithms to really correlate symptoms and diagnoses.
Got it. And if people want to access the app themselves, assuming they're watching you on their mobile phones, YouTube right now, where should they go?
Symcat.com. That's Symcat.com.
Okay. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.